Just waiting for confirmation for this position here so I can enter once again. So I got my primary set, my stop loss. I had a 7-cent stop loss, and I got my take profit here at 810. So this is the total of the transaction at $7. So I'm gonna be able to buy at 794. 7-cent offset for this entry. I'm just waiting for confirmation here. We gotta wait for confirmation here. The MACD is kind of like heading to the downside, so that's not gonna work out. We'll see what it wants to do. I have this arrow here. This is the first time that this as soon as it broke out of the resistance level here and it went up to the upside, this is my first arrow where selling pressure starts stepping in. And then I started little consolidation here. It came down. So I'm kind of putting those arrows now so I can keep track of how far the gap was from the sell-off, you know? So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to be waiting just to see if this wants to go once again. So now that we have it there, I can move this right here because that's that's what my resistance level is at now. So I wanted to break out of there to turn it into support. And the good thing is that it's trading above VWAP, the volume weighted average price, trading about the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA. So that's really good. That but I want this right here, the MACD, to curl up so that I can have a little more conviction on my entry there. So I'm looking for big sellers here. There's not many, so it's looking pretty good. Just keeping an eye on this right here. This still wants to pump. Right now it's kind of flat lines right here. The MACD is just straight, you know. I want it to curl up and open up. So right there it's opening up just barely. I see green down here. So you usually want to see a combination of Timon cells that's like really fast moving, and then you want to see large candles just like these. That confirms that the movement is real. You know, if this is moving up really high with really low volume, it means that mostly the move is a fake out, you know, so there's no volume to back it up. So it's not a real bullish position. The volume is not really there. You want to see a really fast tape, and you want to see large candles down here to give you confirmation that it's a really bullish move. If you don't see them, then it's not not a bullish move. It's a fake out, you know. There's no liquidity there. There's no one's interested in it, but they're still trying to pump it up, and it's just a manipulation. So those are things that I look for when I'm looking for entries. And right now this stock has been really good, and it has a lot of volume. It's like 49 mil. So I'm just, you know, waiting for it to go back up, see if it wants to give me anything else. And right now this is like on the top gainers here. So that's number 2. This is number 1, but it's too expensive. It's at $25. So yeah, I'm sticking to this one right here. Has really good volume. So yeah, we'll see what it wants to do right now. But right now you see how it's like coming down below my resistance level here. It just, you know, seller stepped in once again. So that's a confirmation there that they're in control. The MACD is curling down again, and there's a lot of right here, the candles, the volume is getting higher. So yeah, they're definitely in control right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark out my my line right there. I'm gonna put an arrow right here. That way I can know that was my next down pressure right there. And then I can keep track of these just like that. Selling pressure. This is a really good candle right here, and that one is too. So you could put an arrow facing up right here, but really doesn't. I just leave it like that because I know it's a very green candle with a lot of volume. So I just want to know where sellers are stepping in, and then it's right there. So it's 1, 2, 3. This is on a 1 minute time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 minutes on 1 minute time frame. More short sellers stepped in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm just kind of making it count, you know. But yeah, there you go. So yeah, I was gonna step into this position, but I'm still waiting for it to break out. So I'm just gonna leave it alone for right now. And if it does break out, then I'll step in.